Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hopefully everything is blessed and good with you guys. So this is the look I created today. Yes, it's a bold look with this blue-green hair, whatever color this hair is. I went in with the eyeshadow using the James Charles eyeshadow. Of course, my grandbabies in the back. Elijah, say hi. Come here, say hi. Come on the other side. Go on the other side. There you go. Say hey. He's sick. My twin is sick. So, but anyway, yes, I created this look. And if you guys interested in how I end up getting this look or achieving this look, stay tuned to the video. And if you like the video after that, please hit the like button. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel. And also share my videos. Hit that bell to notify you when I upload videos. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys. And let's go on to No Grandma Glamour. Hi, welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. Hey, I'm my grandmas. Hey, if you just stopping through and you're curious about the Glamour world, Glamour family, please hit that subscribe button. Watch the video, and if you like it, hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that bell to notify you when I upload videos. So, of course, my grandbaby is right here. He right here. They can't see you. Come this way. Elijah is this way. He's sick. So you sit down. Sit in your chair now. So you're going to be hearing him in the background, but this is what makes me glamma. So, of course, I did my eyebrows. I used the Benefit Precisely Brow in 4.5 Morphe James Charles palette.
At the top palette.
Yes. You see the writing? So we're going to be working out this palette today.
This one is good down right there.
Okay. Excuse my nails. I'm lazy.
What's that? Let me see.
This is how it looks.
Let me see. Let me see. Wow. This blue. A pink.
Yeah.
A purple.
Uh-huh.
This one purple.
Uh-huh.
Blue.
Uh-huh.
And white.
Uh-huh.
This one. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
This one is white.
What's that one?
Yellow.
What's this?
Green.
Okay. So, yes. So, we're going to be working out this palette today. It's called Punch Me.
It's called Punch Me?
It's called Punch Me. Yeah, that's what it's called. And I'm going to do this as my transition color. I'm going to use my Morphe. This is the 441 brush.
I got bulb, too.
I'm going to take this color Mary and add this to my crease.
You get yellow.
I'm going to this color right here, which is Boutique. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Crease Eye Brush to apply that. I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Packing Brush and go into Benny. That's that deep, deep chocolate. And put that in my outer V. So now I'm going to this Halloween color here. I'm going to put that on my lid. This is the It brush. I cannot read It brushes. It drives me crazy. Why would you put silver writing on a silver brush? So this is how it looks. Halloween is this copper color. I'm going to take the same It brush and go into So Good and put that near my corner, the beginning of my eye. So now I'm going to apply this L'Oreal. This is the Lash Paradise, but it's a felt tip liquid eyeliner. This is in black, 115. That's how it looks. The applicator. Oh, that's different. like a rubber, instead of a brush, like a rubber felt tip. So I end up just using my e.l.f. liner in black. The L'Oreal was skipping. It was not applying the product like it should. It was not even shading in my wing. So I just decided to go with the e.l.f. I'm going to take this Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Primer, Foundation Primer. It has an SPF of 20. This is how it looks. So I'm going to take my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydration Foundation. This is one pump. It's kind of watery. I'm going to take my It Cosmetic brush. I think this is the perfect complexion brush, I think. It and the brushes, man. Foundation, no foundation. So let's go into concealing. This is the Color Pop, and this is Dark 36. I'm also gonna take a little bit of the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and this color's in vanilla. It's under my eyebrow here. Now I'm gonna set everything in place using this is the Too Faced Born This Way, and this is a setting powder. I believe it's translucent. Yes. I'm gonna take my same wet sponge and dip into that. I'm gonna take my It brush that look like this, and I'm gonna use the colors that I use on top underneath my eyes, which is we use Mary, we use Benny, and we use So Good, and also Halloween. So all that's not going, but definitely Benny and So Good. And of course, let me show you again. That's Benny. This is So Good. I'm also going to use this color Mary. So for mascara, I'm going to use the Pat McGrath Labs. This is her Fetish Eyes Mascara. It is in black. Okay, it's just black. I don't see any color. It's black. So lashes, Pat McGrath. No lashes. What you guys think? Is it worth the money? I'm going to use the same brush that I use my foundation brush and dust off all this powder. So let's go into contouring. And what I'm going to use this Marc Jacobs. I believe this is the Accomplice. This is the concealer and touch-up stick. And this is in Deep 56. And this is how it looks. I'm using my BB195 brush to contour my nose. I'm going to use that Jeffree Star brush to blend out my contour. I'm going to take that Born This Way by Too Faced and just sharpen up my contour. So I'm going to my hourglass, and this is the Luminous Bronzer Light Ambient. It's so pretty. I'm going to set my contour. I'm going to use my Real Technique Rebellion brush. So now let's go into highlight, and what I'm using today is so pretty. This packaging is so pretty. This is the Smashbox The Hood Witch Crystallized Highlighter, and it's an Optic Mystic, and this how it looks. Got my camera. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take my fan brush. I know this is like a more heavier brush, a thicker brush, but this is the Beauty Treat 404 brush. Like buildable highlighter. I see it. It's pretty. You guys see it? I'm also going to put this under my brow bone and into my tear ducts. NYX Professional Makeup. This is Sway Matte Lip Liner, and this is the color SML L50 Dainty Days. I'm applying Maybelline Python and 30 Provoke. This is how this looks. I don't know if I like this color like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs and I'm going to line my lips with it. Maybe it'll look better. Everything look better in brown. Now for blush, I'm going to take this CoverGirl, and this is Classic Color. This is in 510 Ice Plum. Take my Real Technique brush, the blush brush. Dust off this powder. I will come back and give you guys the finished look. So you guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That is so important. And also hit that bell to remind you when I upload videos. So this makeup look was everything to me, from the wig to the makeup to the high end and low end together. The only thing that I really didn't like, and I wouldn't recommend it for anyone to buy it, is that L'Oreal Voluminous felt tip liner. It wouldn't fill my wing in. It was so hard. It wasn't even going on smooth because I believe that's a rubber tip instead of a brush tip. So you guys, I will link everything below, including this wig, if you guys are interested. And until we see each other again, no grandma, glamma.